If you've been struggling hard to lose weight and absolutely nothing seems to work for you, then you need to know about something that an independent team of scientists is calling at-home molecular liposuction. Rumors are that celebrities are already ditching their plastic surgeons and following this simple but mind-blowing method. Tired of risking scars by going under the knife or spending months in recovery, dozens of famous Hollywood stars have already successfully tried this revolutionary innovation. And even though plastic surgeons completely hate it, some of them have already admitted it works. Sometimes even better than surgery. As the fat cells shrink and vanish naturally while the skin adapts and tightens around your body. Instead of being sucked out by force and leaving a flabby belly behind, in this urgent video, you're going to see brand new research from places like Harvard, Stanford, and Columbia School of Medicine that backs up everything I'm saying. Plus, the surprisingly efficient solution that you can start doing today from the comfort of your own home to quickly and effortlessly drop 12 pounds, 29 pounds, or even 48 pounds or more of previously impossible to lose fat deposits in your body without making a single change to your diet or exercise routine. And this is something that works regardless of how old you are, or how long you've been struggling with your weight, or if you're a man or a woman. Hey, it's Andy Beam. And so far, over 179,589 people have used this simple method to shrink down swollen fat cells and keep them from expanding, without you feeling any hungrier or noticing any differences. Besides the numbers on the scale going down, your energy levels and mood will keep going up. Folks of all ages, women and men, who range from just a little overweight to very, very heavy, have been shocked as they quickly and effortlessly dropped 12 pounds, 19 pounds, 27 pounds, or more, without boring and hard to stick to diets or endless hours of exercise. People like Linda, a former ballet dancer from Denver, Colorado, who shares,
"After a severe injury forced me to retire from the stage, my weight spiraled out of control. I felt like I'd lost my identity and I was so depressed. I stumbled upon this video and thought I'd give your advice a try. Within just 1 month, I lost an incredible 35 pounds. The transformation was so dramatic that even my old dance colleagues couldn't believe it. This video not only helped me to regain control over my weight, but I even started dancing again."
Sandra from New Orleans, Louisiana says,
"After my husband passed away, I felt like I had nothing left to live for. I turned to food for comfort, and my weight soared to unbelievable heights. So when I found your video, I was really skeptical. It sounded way too easy. But after following your advice, I lost 51 pounds in just 2 months. I look so good that I can't even believe it. I wake up every morning feeling like I can finally live my life."
Patricia, nurse and mother from Indianapolis, shared this about her experience.
With the busy life and the responsibilities of being a mother, it was difficult for me to find time for myself. So over time, the weight just crept up on me. I was tired and sluggish all the time. And then I came across this video and I thought, why not give it a shot? And the results were truly unexpected. I lost 22 pounds in 6 weeks, and the progress didn't end there. My family couldn't help but notice, and they've been so supportive and proud. This transformation has truly changed my life.
Every day, I am proud to see my inbox filled with emails and short videos just like these. Dozens of people who are over the moon every single day because they tried this molecular liposuction trick, and boy, has it worked wonders for them. And I know that it can and will work wonders for you too, because this same trick I'm about to share.
You can watch the full video by clicking the link in the description.